Welcome to Blackshaw's Mitsubishi Morpeth. My name is Max and I'll be showing you around this cool silver Mitsubishi Outlander. It is a 2.2 litre diesel engine and this car was first registered on the 20th of March 2018. This car still has warranty up until 2023. This car does an impressive 53 miles per gallon with 147 brake horsepower. I'd like to show you the front of the car first. We do have the auto leveling headlamps with the LED daytime running lights running around the outside of this. We also have the headlamp washer located just beneath. This car has also a chrome grille, and the chrome does run throughout the exterior of the car. Moving on to the wing mirrors. They are electric and they are heated. We do have the keyless entry here, which I'll show you. Here we have the electric rear and front window buttons. We're moving on into the car now. On the steering wheel we do have the cruise control, which is also the adaptive cruise control. And we do have the hands-free kit on the left. Here you have the display screen, which I'll show you what happens when turned on. There we are. From here you can activate the radio or link your phone up to the Bluetooth, because it is Apple and Android supported. Just below we do have the climate control air conditioning, and just below that we do have the lane departure warning and also the heated steering wheel. This is the 6-speed manual gearbox here, and we also have the 4-wheel drive button select there. And here are the buttons for the 2 front heated seats if you want to select that as well. The seats are fully leather, and like I said before with the buttons, they are both heated. Moving into the back, as you can see, we have the privacy glass in the back. Moving inside now, the leather seats run throughout the whole and back of the car as well, with the rear electric window button. As you can see, there is quite a lot of leg room for the back passengers, which is also handy. The back passengers also get an armrest with 2 cup holders, or you can just put that back up for an extra seat. Moving on to the boot. As you can see, we have the 2 seats down at the moment, but you can have them as an extra 2 seats. It is a really spacious boot, so if you've got any big items, then there's no problem of sticking them in the back. This also comes with a rear reverse camera, which is located just above the registration plate. It also has the shark fin aerial and the little roof rails to give it that stylish look. We do have the 18-inch alloy wheels, which come in the colour of chrome and black, which gives it that really stylish look as well. If you've got any questions about this car that I haven't covered in the video, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01670 719 519 or drop us an email at morpeth.sales@blackshaws.com. Or if you wanted to head down to the dealership yourself and have a look at the car, maybe arrange a test drive, feel free. I've been Max and thank you for watching.